I kid you not, you guys. I'm probably about 50 feet away and I can smell the sweet aroma of watermelon. And these guys are having a party. And only the biggest bird gets to eat the watermelon. Look at this. I smell the watermelon. It's so refreshing. It's kind of like a hierarchy. The biggest one, here comes a new friend. He's coming in. The white ones and the brown seagulls always fighting. But wow, this is nature. I don't know how the heck a big fresh watermelon ended up right here, but it's a total feast. There you go. Someone's gonna sneak in or get a bite. There you go. Who dared mess with the big one? Oh my goodness, sweet watermelon. This almost feels like a National Geographic documentary. Similar to like out in the African Serengeti, where the lion catches a kill, but the hyenas are waiting for their opportunity. This is what it's all about right here. So let's see if anyone else is going to be coming in, but looks like the big seagull is holding his ground and he'll enjoy the fruits of his victory. You get it? The fruits of his victory. That was just a little play on words there. Well, what do we see here? Further down, maybe 500 feet, the seagull's enjoying some cantaloupe. So the party continues. The same routine. The biggest bird gets to enjoy the fresh fruit as the smaller ones wait. And here, more fruit. I'm gonna take you down maybe another 200 feet over here. And I don't know where this fruit's coming from, but these birds, they're fighting over some oranges right here. I don't know how they're gonna get through the flesh of the orange peel. That's an orange right there. I think further down there's some success getting through to a fruit. It looks like, oh, it's an apple. Look at that big brown seagull protecting his apple. What's the old saying? Come on guys, you know it. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Again, I've noticed the brown colored seagulls are a little bit larger than some of the white seagulls, as you can notice here. Great, Mother Nature. Wow, that apple looks so good. What are your thoughts if I should go in there and grab it and take a big bite? Show those birds who's the king of the food chain. Homo sapiens. Or being that we have a soul and we feel for our friends, our animals out in the wild, and we let them enjoy the fruits as well. What a beautiful sight. Maybe that big seagull will allow someone else to have a bite. I think that's the case now. He's allowed everyone to come in. Oh, maybe not. Well, so that's it. I basically walked about 100 yards, and we started with the watermelon close to the pier. Then a little bit further down, the cantaloupe. Made my way over here. Oh yeah, don't forget that orange. I don't think they're ever gonna get through that. But this apple is golden. Another play on words. This apple is golden. Take care, guys, and thanks for watching.